Hey, welcome back. Let me just walk you through a product that's very easy, something that you could sell on Amazon if you wanted to. This is a particular product that I'm very fond of, and it's something that I actually got involved in, right? Many people don't even know what it is. It's got like a little gadget thing there where you put in the right password and you press that button and, God, what was the password now? Hold on, let me just, so this is a very simple product, very lightweight, weighs less than a kilo, right? Here we go. Yep, comes off, you get the correct password, right? And that opens up here, and you got even a little diamante in there, right? So this is a lockbox. So if you're going down to the beach like where I am here today, you basically put your valuables in there, you get your wallet out, right? You put your wallet in there, doesn't fit, make sure your wallet fits. You chuck it in there, you close the box, you attach it to like one of these bars over here, right? And you put it in there like that and you lock it. And that's it, right? It's essentially, that's it. And then you can go to the beach and you don't have to worry about looking after your valuables. And this is a very basic product. Now, if you were going to jump on something like we talk about, right? Basic, something light, something, obviously it's got to be profitable. I think these things can be sourced for I think it was as little as $4 US, but people were selling for like 39 and even higher, right? Because it was really going after the getaway, seagull. People were going after the travel market. Now, if you're going to jump on products like this, you can go after any travel accessory, essentially, any sort of lock, any sort of travel portable security, right? Then that is something. You got to think about how do I build this up as a niche, right? But remember, all your niche products, all your products within that niche should fit the parameters that I set out, which are lightweight, profitable, small, compact, less than 45 centimeters, less than a kilo. Obviously, you need to be doing turnover and something that you can brand. I mean, you can easily chuck on your logo right here. Very easy to brand. You can pay the supplier an extra $1.50 or so to imprint your brand on here. Very easy to do. And then you just got to decide, what product am I going to be building on next? This is product number 1, product number 2 could be something else, product number 3, and then decide, okay, do I want to build and stay within the travel niche, or do I want to be jumping on something else? Right now, for obvious reasons, the travel niche isn't really going to have too much growth over the next 6 months, maybe a year, because of what's happening with the whole coronavirus, right? But that will change. All right. So thanks for joining me, and yeah, talk to you all soon. Plus, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're looking for some advice, maybe you're looking for training, maybe you're looking for ideas on what to sell on Amazon, jump onto our free training webinar where I do give away 10 product ideas and I sort of get you started in a way, starting your own brand, your own business on Amazon. I set out the steps involved to getting listed essentially on Amazon. All right, so below this video there's a link. Give that link a click, and also check out, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now. See you later.